I'm Ila.
I'm Archie.
Welcome to Ila and Archie's lab. Today we are going to make an experiment by using vinegar and baking soda. So as you can see, I've already poured the vinegar into this container so it is easier to pour for both of us. And I've already put the baking soda into the container. Archie?
Yeah?
What happens if you mix vinegar and baking soda together?
I don't know.
Well, let's find out together.
Yeah.
So I will pour it in for both of us. Uh-oh. That's okay. I can clean it. Right?
Yeah.
Now we are going to put the baking powder into our balloons. So, we will do it by like this. We grab it and then we help pour it in like this. Okay, now we're all set. Now we are going to put them on our bottles. Now we are going to dump it inside the bottle.
I'm going to dump it inside the ball.
Come on, go in. Ah! Oh my God, it's gonna pop! It's gonna pop! Now look at our balloons. They're so big. Yeah.
Oh, look at this, Ila.
I saw. How do you take this thing off? Are you recording? I don't know. She's recording. Yeah. Whoa. Do you know why mixing vinegar and baking soda together creates bubbles? Imagine vinegar and baking soda as two little ingredients having a fun party in your cup. When you mix them together, they start to react, and it's like they're having a fizzy dance-off. When they meet, they do a special dance where they change into something new. The vinegar turns into water, and the baking soda makes a special gas called carbon dioxide. This gas is like tiny bubbles, and it wants to escape and go up to the surface. That's when you see all those bubbles and fizzing happening. It's like a bubble party in your cup. But that was a cool experiment. Thank you for watching. See you later, alligator. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.